Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. You know that feeling when your eyes look more tired than you feel? Well, we're exploring a solution that promises to tackle dark circles, puffiness, and those pesky fine lines that sneak up around the eyes. The product in focus today is the Retinol Eye Cream, an under-eye serum enriched with hyaluronic acid and caffeine, designed to refresh and rejuvenate the delicate eye area. So what's inside this little 15 milliliter bottle? The key player is retinol, which stimulates collagen production to help smooth fine lines and support skin elasticity. Caffeine is added to reduce puffiness and fatigue, while hyaluronic acid ensures deep hydration for a plump, nourished look. The formula is fragrance-free, paraben-free, and gentle enough for daily use, even on sensitive skin. It promises quick absorption, making it easy to apply under makeup or as a nighttime ritual. Using it over the past few weeks, I noticed the cream has a silky texture that glides effortlessly across the under-eye area. It absorbs fast without leaving any sticky residue, which is a major plus when layering with other products. I tried it both in the morning and at night, and I appreciated the immediate cooling effect that makes tired eyes feel refreshed. Over consistent use, about 4 to 8 weeks, the skin around my eyes definitely felt firmer, with a subtle reduction in fine lines and puffiness. Dark circles appeared slightly lighter, though they're always stubborn and need ongoing care. I would say the strengths are clear. The texture is lightweight, it's non-irritating, and the blend of retinol, caffeine, and hyaluronic acid targets multiple under-eye concerns at once. On the flip side, it's a small bottle at 15 milliliters, so heavy users may go through it fairly quickly. Some results, like fading dark circles, are gradual, so patience is key. In terms of value, the price aligns with its premium formula and multi-action benefits. Compared to other retinol eye creams on the market, this one holds up well, especially for those looking for a fragrance-free, gentle option. Packaging is practical and travel-friendly, making it easy to toss in your bag for quick touch-ups. If you're considering alternatives, there are some lower-cost options with retinol and hyaluronic acid, but they may lack caffeine or have added fragrances, so you might compromise on either puffiness reduction or sensitivity tolerance. For me, this cream strikes a balanced middle ground between efficacy and gentleness. So should you try it? If you're dealing with fine lines, puffiness, or tired-looking eyes and want a daily, non-irritating formula, this is a solid choice. Just remember, consistent application is essential to see the best results. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've used this retinol eye cream, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experiences. The link to purchase is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.